Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow web 2.0 backlink. So the website name is ecwid.com and this is a website, a dashboard. So before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 91. This is very good, and you will see this website having 96% do follow backlinks. And according to Moj, the domain authority is 84 and the spam score is 29%. So whenever you guys are creating your backlink on this website, you will make sure to understand the 29% spam score, then you can proceed with a backlinking. These things cannot going to directly harm your website, but many people have a myth to if this website having a high spam score, then your site will going to penalized. Okay, it is true, but if you guys will creating a legitimate and a good web 2.0 backlink with a fresh content, then these things cannot going to harm your website. Okay, so first thing, you guys will click on the get started for free, and there you guys will create your account, your first and last name, so you will add, and there you guys will choose your password. Click on the next, set up your store. Then you will select your country. So our company is based in United States, so I can proceed with USA. Then you can click on the next. And do you have a website? Yeah, I have. And you can select any of this. Then you can click on the next. And if you wanting, so you can select the other option. Tell us about your, I prefer to basic, easy, I prefer to specialized system. And you can select the free plan to create a store. It is a free, and you will see, yeah, so this is your dashboard, so where you guys will make changes for your website. So first thing we have completed. Now we can move forward with the second one, to add your store to your Yumble website. Okay, so store a web address, specify file extension, get. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Okay, so before this, we need to make some changes. We have selected the different plan. So, the go to create, manage. Is there any option we can make changes on our website? Using this site. Yeah, so you can click on the, if you badly selected the any another platform, then you can click on the dashboard, and you will see there is a websites option. If you can click on the specify store and address, so you can click on this, and you will see there is a option to using instant site. So this site will give you the domain, a free domain. Then you can click on the customize a domain name, leave this page, click on the leave this page, and there you can add your website. Oh my god. Okay, so let me again, we can do the things. Click on the specify store. I'm using this, a customize a domain name, and click on this, and from there you can add your brand name. Then after that you can click on the save, and you have optimized your URL, and after that you can click on the edit site button, and you will see there is a lot of templates, so you can search your template. So suppose we are providing the services, and we have software services, so they don't have a lot of templates, so I can going to proceed with this one. And yeah, you will see this is your edit panel. So first we can change our logo. So let me change the our website logo. So you can select the image from here. So yeah, so image is updated our logo. So now we can go back, and you will see this is your edit panel. So if you can click on this, so there you can add your title. So this is your tagline. So let me open our website. So my website is video interviewing software, and the number first one, this is our website. We are ranking on the top 0 position. So there we can add a virtual interviewing platform. So this is my main keyword, so that's why I'm using frequently. And in the title you will add your main title. So suppose let me use this title. So virtual interviewing platform, video interviews, AI assessment, I have a better one. So Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform, I can prefer to use this. And there I can add a short description about our company. So which one I can use? Yeah, I can use this. So this one is makes sense, so that we have all the information. Like Jobma is a AI powered a video interviewing company. Headquarters in Minnetonka, Minnesota, founded in 2012. The company allows its client to connect a digitally interviewing during the hiring process. Okay, and now if you wanting, so you can change your image as well. So what I can do, if I can go here, and if I, let me download this image. I won't be able to use this image. So for now I can use this screenshot, but later I can want to change this. But for only this video creation, I can prefer to do the changes easily. So how you guys will understand to how you can create a Web 2.0 backlink a better way. So if you wanting to add any button, so you will see there is two options. We can add a primary button and a secondary button. So first we will add. So there you can add widget, a main website Jobma widget, main website. So I can write a simple widget website, and you will select the from the action you wanting to click. So go to link, and there we can add our website URL. Yeah, and we did these things. And if you wanting to add a secondary button, so you can. And after that you will see there is about a section, so we can add these things. So what I can do here, open image in a new tab, and let me download this image. This is a SVG, so let me take the screenshot, and there I can upload my image first. And if you wanting, so there you can add your title. So transform your hiring experience with a Jobma interview better and faster with Jobma AI powered Jobma software. Yeah. So there I can add the title, interview better and faster with AI powered Jobma video interviewing software. And there we can add our description. So let me use this. So I guess this content should be the worth it. Yeah, so I have added the about ourself, and there is if you wanting to delete any section, so you can select the section, and you will see there is option to you can delete your section. So I don't want these things as well. So what I can do, I can gonna to remove this. Yeah, so there is an option to you guys will add your products. So suppose this is my product page. So if I wanting to create backlink for this as well, so you can add your product, a title, one more video interview software, and a pre-recorded video interview software. And there you can add your short description. So suppose this is my page, and let me pick the first content from here. And yeah, you will see I have added. And if you wanting, so you can add your product screenshot, product image as well. So let me take this screenshot, and you can change the product image from here. And if you wanting to add any new section, so you can make you can add easily. So you will click on the add section, and you will see there are a lot of category. So from using this category, you can select your section, and you can easily insert here. So let me choose this, I guess. Yeah, this one is better for me, so it should be make sense. So next I can going to create a backlink for my product page. So AI powered AI in hiding. So yeah, so this is a title for this page, AI in hiding. And I can going to add a short description for this page. So do more with AI powered interview. And I can use this content. And if you wanting, so is there any option to we can add something? Yeah, we do not. About in the design, title, image, description, subtitle. Yeah, and also there is option you can change the layout. So using these tactics, you guys will able to create a very optimized web 2.0 backlink on this website. So I guess I have covered all the things to how you can add any new section, or the how you can delete any section, and how you guys will make a modification in this. So last option, last pending things we have now we can go to complete. So there you guys will add your address. So this is the address. Post your address plus code, your post. Okay, so if you guys will post your address properly, your full address here, then you guys will also get the Google Map featured, and there we can add our opening hours, working hours. So working hour is Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 9:30, 5:30. And what is the next? Next is then we can add our contact information. So contact information is this is the number we can use, and we can add email here. So yeah, I guess, and there is the option to guys will add social media. So yeah, I have. So you can utilize all the features what this website are providing. And the next one is Instagram. And from there you can add any social link, and you can change the icon from this drop down, and there we can use our social media link. Yeah, so I have added all the things. So once you guys will complete your all the section, then you guys are able to make this website publish. So there is a button to click for the publish button, and you will see your site is published now, and you can click on the view sites button, and you will see this is your site URL, and this is a backlink what we have added. So using this tactics, you can create a web 2.0 backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink, so you guys will see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow web 2.0 backlink. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.